Welcome to this video. The unsung heroes of print design are crucial for achieving perfect print results. If you're a designer looking to elevate your print projects, you need to hear this. Creating stunning print materials involves more than just fonts, colors, and imagery. Two crucial, often overlooked aspects are bleeds and margins. They make the difference between polished and amateurish prints. Bleeds and margins ensure your designs print as intended. They provide a safety net and enhance aesthetic appeal. Let's dive in and explore their importance to create professional, high-quality prints. In the realm of print design, the term bleed refers to the extension of printed elements beyond the trim edge of the final printed piece. This intentional overlap ensures that no unwanted white borders appear when the paper is cut to its final size. Imagine you're painting a wall and want to ensure the color extends to the very edge. You wouldn't stop painting right at the corner, would you? Instead, you'd paint slightly past the corner onto the adjacent wall. This concept is similar to bleeds in printing. By extending the design elements slightly beyond the trim line, you create a safety net that accommodates any minor inconsistencies during the cutting process. This ensures that your colors and images extend seamlessly to the edge of the paper, creating a clean and polished look. Bleeds are typically measured in fractions of an inch, with 1/8 inch being a common standard. This small but significant extension makes all the difference in achieving professional-looking prints. When setting up your print files, you'll need to incorporate these bleeds into your design software settings. You might be wondering, is setting up bleeds really that important? The answer is a resounding yes. These white lines, known as slivers, occur when the printed area doesn't reach the edge. Even slight misalignment during cutting can result in these slivers. Bleeds act as insurance against these mishaps. By extending your design beyond the trim line, you create a safety margin. This ensures a clean and polished final product. Safe zones for your content. The role of margins. While bleeds extend your design beyond the trim line, margins define the safe zone within the page where your essential content should be placed. Margins act as a buffer zone, protecting your text, logos, and other crucial elements from being cut off or positioned too close to the edge of the page. Imagine a picture frame surrounding your content. The frame represents the margins, ensuring that everything within it is displayed prominently and safely. Setting appropriate margins is crucial for readability and aesthetic appeal. Margins that are too narrow can make your text feel cramped and difficult to read, while margins that are too wide can create an awkward amount of empty space. A good rule of thumb is to maintain consistent margins throughout your document, typically ranging from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, depending on the size and format of your printed piece. Consistent margins contribute to a sense of visual balance and hierarchy, guiding the reader's eye through your content. InDesign to the rescue, setting up bleeds and margins. Adobe InDesign, a powerful desktop publishing software, makes setting up bleeds and margins a breeze. When you create a new document in InDesign, you'll be greeted by the New Document dialog box. Here, you can specify your desired bleed and margin settings. The bleed section allows you to input a uniform value for all sides or customize each side individually. As mentioned earlier, 1/8 inch is a standard bleed setting for most print projects. The margin section works similarly, allowing you to set uniform or customized margins for your document. You can experiment with different values to find the sweet spot that best suits your design. Once you've defined your bleeds and margins, InDesign will display visual guides on your document's pasteboard, indicating the bleed area, trim line, and margin boundaries. These guides serve as helpful references while you're designing, ensuring that your important content stays within the safe zone and your background elements extend to the bleed area. Ready, set, print, exporting your design. After meticulously crafting your design and setting up bleeds and margins, it's time to prepare your file for printing. InDesign offers various export options, but for professional printing, choosing the right format and settings is crucial. The most commonly used format for print-ready files is Adobe PDF. When exporting your InDesign document as a PDF, you'll need to select the appropriate preset that includes bleeds and crop marks. Crop marks are thin lines printed outside the bleed area that indicate where the paper should be trimmed. In the Export Adobe PDF dialog box, under the Marks and Bleeds section, make sure to check the boxes for crop marks and use document bleed settings. This will ensure that your PDF file includes the necessary information for the printer to trim your document accurately and include the bleeds. By following these steps, you can be confident that your printed materials will turn out exactly as you envisioned, with no surprises. Professionalism on paper, the power of proper setup. In the world of print design, sweating the small stuff can make all the difference. Bleeds and margins, while seemingly minor details, play a vital role in achieving professional-looking printed materials. By understanding the importance of these elements and implementing them correctly, you can elevate your designs from amateur to polished. Proper bleed setup ensures that your colors and images extend seamlessly to the edge of the paper, eliminating unsightly white borders and conveying a sense of quality. Well-defined margins provide a visual framework for your content, enhancing readability and creating a harmonious balance between text and white space. Remember, the goal is to present your work in the best possible light, and that includes paying attention to the technical aspects that contribute to a professional outcome. As we wrap up, remember the power of proper setup in your print designs. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share our channel and this video with your friends. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching.